I'm excited about this one. This is the MAGEGee Light87. But check this out, you're going to get that tri-mode connection with your dongle. Comes with a cord, keycap and switch puller, and the blue whale switches that are hot swappable. This is going to be a wireless mechanical keyboard with a gasket mounted structure, and it's rocking an RGB backlight with a few different light settings. But I am really liking the two-tone front printed keycaps. It even has a shine through shell on there, making that RGB backlight look even more impressive. But if you're liking this content, please hit that like and subscribe button. Hopefully I'll see you in that next review video, and here's that sound test.